Aaron and Landon.
So many people up here. It was like going up a line.
I know!
Up the hill.
I'm shocked no one's here. Here we are, 2009 Stover Sled Hill. Grandma Gloria's already taken one trip on the disc. Aaron and Landon are getting ready to fly down on the inner tube. Lincoln, what do you think about this, son? Lincoln, where are we? We got Lincoln, the snow bum here. Hates his head on. Lincoln, who do you see up there? No, not gonna work. Waiting for some action. Can you even see him up there? Linda's here with Abigail. Technical difficulties. There's Lincoln. Hi, Lincoln. Hi. What do you think of this snow? Yeah, keep going. Keep walking. We're going to see some sledding action here any minute. I know it. Yeah. Here they go. Watch out. Nope, just kidding. They're not really going very fast, are they? Just kidding. Here they go. Landon, what'd you think about that, son? He lost a boot. Landon, what'd you think about that?
He off. I just had to hold my legs.
He's got spit coming out of his mouth. Snot. It's rough time. Landon, was that fun?
I got a still in my mouth.
Lincoln, oh yeah, what do you think about that?
We were moving, huh, bud? Is that fun?
The helmet? No, I took off the...
Yeah, I know you took it off.
I took it off.
Okay, go back up to the top.
Aaron, can you get Lincoln? Whee! What do you think, Lando? Oh, that'll work nice on the hill. Glow's trying the tube. Tell her to flip it over.
It's certain death if you're riding that on the top. Come on, Lando.
Save this one for America's 25th.
Let's watch him and see what happens. Holy moly!
Look at that. Look at your dad go.
He was gonna wreck him.
Fun time, huh?
Oh. Landon and Aaron attempt the Western Flyer. Here they come.
Oh man, look at Landon go! Look at him go! Oh, that's moving. He got off the track. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, steer it. Steer it, Laura.
No, it doesn't turn.
He's moving.
She did a pretty good job steering that.
Now if you start by that balloon, you